Well, in one of the last videos, I showed that I had to rework the whole dog leg to get it to fit into the rocker panel where it goes. It's supposed to go into this recessed area here. So with the rockers out of the car, I figured before I even got started, I'd get this reworked to get it to fit. Well, it turns out that all this reworking that I did and welding in a piece and everything to spread this to give the room that we needed, apparently 90% of it was a waste of time. Because when you go to put it on now, apparently it's way too long in the bottom. So if you see that Sharpie mark there, that's about the end of where it's going to land. And if you look, that's where the rocker panels, where the dog leg is supposed to meet the rocker panel in this, so the bodywork can smooth it right over. So that Sharpie mark is how much I have to cut off. So I have to cut that, and I'll just come in along here and cut that across there somewhere, because I still need to get, sorry for all the fumbling, but basically I'm going to be cutting it back here somewhere to get it to line up with that notch. Now we still need to make from here, the top of the rocker is right here, so we're going to have to make it so this comes down to it as far back as possible. Try and get it onto this platform, or very close to it, maybe right in here if we have to. If you look, that's how far forward that comes right now, and that should be a little bit too far, because I believe all these little small holes that are drilled there are for like the sill plate, the wire and harness cover that goes in. So like I said, I'll cut this bottom chunk out first, leave the rest, start fitting it. And what's a bummer with that is I reworked this all out here to be perfect for the rocker. This is even smaller. So now when I cut this off, I'm going to have to rework this wider and get all my angles right for this to fit back here further. So, no fun. But I'm going to get to it, press on, and get the rocker started to fit in. I remade the whole bottom of this post here. Remade this whole section down in here, and this whole front piece here crossed. So I actually have some metal too. Well, two down here. I had to put in a secondary piece back here because there's another structure behind it, and a big chunk of that was rotted, so I chopped that off and welded in another piece back there. And then once this is all tacked in, there's still one more area that I have to patch, but that'll go in very last after the rockers are all in front to rear. Then I'll make that last one, and I still have to remake the bottom roof for that because that's all gone. Oh, enough of that. I gotta get back to work. Thanks for watching.